Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Digital Empress, aka Taylor. You can call me either one. Oh, and I see some of y'all spelling it with a Y. My name is spelled with an I. Y'all can thank my dad for that. I'm back for day 2 of Advent of Cyber 3 with Tryhackme. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. If you haven't watched it, it will be somewhere up here. I think it's over here. It'll be over there. Yeah, or over here. It'll be up there. And you can watch me complete day 1. It was me learning about the iDoor vulnerability and how to uncover that, helping McSkitty fix that and revert the item SKU numbers back and fix the inventory management system for, I think it was the building manager elf. So today we are going to be dealing with ELF HR problems, web exploitation. And the background is McSkitty needs to check if any other employee elves have left or been affected by Grinch Industries attack. But the systems that hold the employee information have been hacked. Can you hack them back to determine if the other team in the best vessel company have been affected? So today we are hacking back. That sounds fun. Oh, before we get into the video, I do want to tell you guys that I am holding a 25% off sale all this month for Christmas, for the holiday spirit. And I'll be selling, well, it's going to be on all of my items, these lashes that I have on. These are my internet lashes. I love them so much. And then this is for my girls. If you're a guy and you want to buy, by all means. And then my webcam covers. You guys can see that. Can you see it? Can you see it? It says Digital Empress on it. For the girlies and the guys. And then this is for, like, I have this one on my MacBook because you can't stick these kind. I also have these kind that stick. But I do have these that stick. If you want one that sticks on your webcam, I prefer this one because I can't stick one on my MacBook. And then I could just take it on and off, and then you have a little pin holder. So go to my website in the description box below, 25% off for any item in my store. Oh, and if y'all hear like rattling, it's my baby. He's down here next to me. Okay. I'm just going to watch the day 2 video really quick, and then I'm gonna come back after I watch the video, and then we're gonna go through the exercises together. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I just finished watching the day 2 ELF HR problems web exploitation video. Do you want to come hack? Sir, I didn't say he's too smart. He's too smart. I need to let the light in, right? Because this light's doing weird on us, huh? Okay, that's good. Don't play. Okay, say hi to everybody. Say hi to YouTube. Sir, I'm gonna need you to not be tapping on keys, okay? I know you're excited. All right, so just like yesterday, I'm gonna be looking here, but my Cali is here. You guys will see my Cali screen. And then I'm gonna be down here with the munchkin, right? So let's go ahead and get our, actually I think because I already got a download. This is what I was trying to show y'all yesterday, but like I had an old VPN agent. So let's see if it just works today. Change directory to downloads. And let me see if I can make this bigger for y'all, because I know that Okay, I hope you guys can see that a bit better. So now I'm just going to do sudo, right, and it is connected. Now I'm just going to refresh my screen. Child, make sure it's connected, and it is. We're connected, Papa. So let's go ahead and get started with day 2. We've already read the story. We're going to be hacking back today. And the learning objectives that we're going to be learning are understanding the underlying technology of web servers, how they communicate, how web servers communicate. No, the technology of web servers and how the web communicates. Understand what cookies are and their purpose. Learn how to manipulate and manage cookies for malicious use. Okay, recall is required. It's Grandma.
Hey, boo boo. Isaiah, you want to say hi to your friend? Type something for Gigi.
Type, baby.
Type something. Oh, okay. All right. Type something for Gigi.
Type, Papa. There you go.
Okay. Type something.
He was typing a lot last night. Okay, I'm back. No more baby hacking. New box. Action the cookie. This can be done by refreshing the page or logging in. Now I want cookies. Let's complete that. We're on day 2. I already got my 7-day streak badge, but I just kept losing it because your girl is busy, okay? So let's open this up in a new tab. Register an account and verify the cookies using the developer tools in your browser. Okay, let's do a new. It says register a new. Okay, you're moving. You don't have. Okay, you don't have permission to register an account currently. Please contact an administrator for more assistance. What is the name of the new cookie that was created for your account? Okay, let's do Taylor. That's how you spell my name, guys, okay? Tailor. Let's do Cookie Girl. You would not tell somebody your password in a realistic setting. And let's just do the digital Empress. Empress at gmail.com. Create an account. Don't save. Okay, still the same one. Okay, now. What is the name of the new cookie that was created for your account? You know what? I've just figured out what I'm doing wrong. I'm on the wrong site. Is it this one? User dash auth. There we go. So don't pull up the cookies for the Tryhackme site. Pull up the cookies for Best Festival Company. What encoding type was used for this cookie? So this looks like hexadecimal, and I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like. It's just like numbers and letters mixed together. Almost like what you use for colors. Like when you trying to look for a color code. So yeah, this is what it's just numbers and letters mixed together. So what object format is the data of the cookie stored in? JSON. Okay, let's see what the hint is. I forget that. A type of object notation. So manipulate the cookie bypass by the portal. What is the value of the administrator cookie? So let's go back. What was it? What did he do? Okay, so this is what we got down here. It says administrator. So we take this, copy, put it here, paste, and then we do admin. Let's take that. He took that space out, so let's take the space out. There we go. Okay, this one goes here. What team environment is not responding? So, how did he do that? I think he goes back here and he takes that and pastes. And we pull up here. Yay, we did it. Okay. Team environment that's not responding is HR. And then I think it was application for the next one. It has a network warning. Application. I have a headache. Submit, baby, submit. Let's see. Oh my God. Crazy. So this is how you can learn more. Tasks release each day, progressively get harder, but there's still walkthroughs. Come back tomorrow for day 3's task, where Insider PhD will be recording a video walkthrough. Completed. Yay, we finished day 2. I hope that you guys have finished day 2. I'm about to go ahead and edit this video up and get it out, just so if you want extra help or you want to see me do it and just to watch me go through it, how I do it, it will be up and out. But we have officially completed day 2, and I am on day 2 of my hacking streak. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about my first night of reading the book Bounty Bootcamp by Vicki Lee. Probably going to finish chapter 1 and 2 today, so we can kind of stay on track with the chapters. There is 25 chapters. Yeah, there's 25 chapters, so we can just keep on going until the same day we finish. So I'm going to catch up to day 2 today, and then I'm going to tell you guys all about it tomorrow in day 3's video. So I have to read all the way up until day 3. I just read the introduction. The book is basically explaining how the book is set up, what you'll learn. It's for anybody at any level, and explain like what's in the book. And then in part 1, it's going to teach you how to pick a bug bounty program, the state of the industry, asset types, bug bounty platform scopes, payouts, and response times. Chapter 2 will be sustaining your success. So you'll be learning how to write a good report, building a relationship with the development team, understanding why you're failing, what to do when you're stuck, and some few words from the author. And then chapter 3 for tomorrow will be how the internet works. So this will kind of play into what we learned today about HTTP post and GET requests, the client server model, domain name system, internet ports, HTTP requests and responses, internet security controls. They have session management and HTTP cookies, token-based authentication, JSON web tokens, and the same origin policy. That's where I seen that at. It has something similar that we learned today right there. Okay, so I'm going to go through all the way until chapter 3 today. I'm probably going to go to Starbucks and read. Take my baby for a walk because you guys can see he's in his fussy stage because he's teething. His gums are itching, so he's very fussy. And I'm going to go to Starbucks, get some coffee, and take some notes on this. And then probably write up some blog posts and notes so we can recap. Okay. Oh, and somebody said they couldn't find the link to this. I got this from No Starch Press. I got the early access PDF, and then they sent this to me personally. Thank you so much to them. But I'm going to see if I can find like a purchase link. And if I can't, I'm going to reach out to No Starch Press or Vicky Lee and see if I can find this for you guys so you guys can purchase it. All right. Now we're gone. We're gone for good.